Here we are. Oh my gosh, there are lots of patrons who wanna watch Final Destinations. Oh my gosh, and the free popcorn is. Oh, there's a large line. How I wish I can get by it on time to watch the Final Destination Bloodlines. Oh my gosh, see that? I can make it. Oh gosh, 10 more minutes. Finally, guys and girls. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I feel so tense, nervous. I think I'm gonna shout in here at the top of my lungs. I'm gonna scream and shout. Oh my gosh. So overwhelmed. Oh, finally. You know what? I can't wait for the regular runs for this Final Destination. That's why I'm gonna watch for this day 2 of sneak preview. By the way, before I forgot, I just want to thank the Lord for all the wonderful blessings that He gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Enrico Abordo, Christine, my sister, Helen Carreta of San Roque, Gaspi City, to all my silent subscribers out there. Hi, to all my Facebook viewers, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And to all my supporters out there. And of course to my 11 lovely countries who've been supporting my channel all the way down. Of course on the number 1 spot, Philippines, United States. On the number 2 spot, India, Canada, Mexico, United Kingdom, Germany, Indonesia, Iraq, Japan, and China. You know what? Mexico and Japan came back. Here we are. Final Destination. Ako lang. Oh my gosh. I told you guys and girls, there are lots of people wants to be the first one to watch. Eye level. Oh gosh, yun na. No, sige, I want this one. At least I only have one seatmate. Yes. You can ask for discount. On your own. Oh gosh. This is a more terrifying. Yes. I know this could be a more terrifying, more screaming, and a chill factor. Oh gosh! Oh, I wish I can make it on time. See that? Popcorn, free popcorn. Come over here, guys and girls. Join me for my movie night out. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Love, share, subscribe. Love it, feel it, embrace it. Okay, bye. Final Destination Bloodlines.